Block patterns in WordPress.com allow you to easily add pre-designed layouts and content blocks to your posts and pages, saving time and enhancing design flexibility. Here's how to use block patterns effectively. Open the WordPress block editor. Log into your WordPress.com account. Navigate to Posts, add new or pages, add new to create or edit a post or page. Access block patterns. In the block editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. From the block options, choose Patterns. This will open a panel of pre-designed layouts that you can use. Select a block pattern. Browse through the available block patterns, such as header, gallery, call to action, etc. Once you find a pattern you like, simply click on it and insert it into your post or page. Customize the block pattern. After adding the block pattern, you can easily edit the content within the blocks. You can also move, add, or remove blocks in the pattern to fit your needs. Save or publish. Once you're happy with your design, click Publish or Update to save your changes.